And just because I look like this every single day, you think you know me. Me, if I want, I can also look like Beyonce. Anyway, I cannot look like Beyonce, let's be honest. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time here, you're very much welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. You won't get charged anything. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a very interesting video. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, very easy to achieve. And in this video, I'm not going to be using a lot of products. In fact, I'm going to be using very affordable products. I'm not even going to be using eyeshadow, yes guys, but definitely the makeup will be looking bomb. So first of all, let's do the eyebrows. Imagine these eyebrows decided after shaving them, they are not going to grow back. So let me glam the eyebrows. So on the eyebrows, I'm going to be using this. This is very affordable. This goes for 30 bob only. This is Davis eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade 003. And before I actually get to glam my eyebrows, I'm going to minimize the oils around my brow area. You can see that my face is very shiny. I have an oily skin, a very oily skin. So I'm just going to first minimize the oils around the brow area. I'm going to be using this Fit Me. This Fit Me, I got it at 805 Kenya shillings. Definitely very affordable, and it's genuine. It's an original product. I got it from Super Cosmetics. So I'm going to be using this one to actually minimize the oils around my brow area, and it's in the shade Warm Coconut 356. So let me use it on my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this brush, but before that, I'm going to just get this hair out of the way. And after that, I'm now going to apply that powder to minimize the oils around my brow area. And then I'm going to be using this Davis number 003 eyebrow pencil just to line my eyebrows. So I'm just following the shape of my eyebrows. First I line, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill in from the middle part, from the arc going all the way to the tail, and then from the arc going all the way to the front part. And after that, I'm going to be using this pulley and brush up and just blend everything together. After that, I'm going to be using this Legal Pro concealer. This is in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be using it to clean up my eyebrows. And the brush that I'm using is a flat brush. This is the situation we have so far. So after that, I'm going to clean up the top part. I'm going to be using this foundation from Legal to clean up the top part of my eyebrows. After that, I'm going to be using this Legal primer. This goes for 650 bob. Very affordable and very good for people with an oily skin. Then after that, I'm going to be mixing these two foundations, and these two are from Legal. They go for 950 bob each. And let me tell you, I did a mistake. I should have used a lighter foundation, but I just mixed these two foundations, and let me tell you, I did wonders. First of all, this foundation is just doesn't match my shade perfectly, like the two foundations after mixing them. And then another thing, the undertone is just not right. Like the undertone, I missed this one, but I was feeling like it doesn't match me, so I wanted to actually take off the foundation, but I felt like, oh no, I can just try and fix the situation. So let's see what I'll actually do with this one. So just apply the foundation that is your shade, because Mimi, this is not my shade. First of all, I don't love using foundations that perfectly matches my face, because I have a lighter face compared to like some parts of my body, so I love using a darker shade, but this one was extremely dark. So next I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm only going to be using this one. This is the same concealer that I had used previously to actually clean up my eyebrows. This is from Legal in the shade Fawn. So after that, I'm going to blend in that concealer, and I'm using still the same beauty blender that I was using before. So I'm just going to blend everything together. Blend everything together. So after that, I'm going to set using this powder. This is a finishing powder from Fit Me. This I got it at 1050 bob, if I'm not wrong, but right now it's going for 805 Kenya shillings at Super Cosmetics. So you can take advantage of that sale and get yourself that powder. It's very good. So then after that, I'm now going to contour my nose, and I'm using a finishing powder from Legal. Goes for 750 Kenya shillings. Still using that shade, that finishing powder from Illegal, I'm going to contour my face. So this is what I have so far, still looking ashy. The next, I'm going to be using this eyeliner. This is from Maybelline, and this eyeliner goes for 1,000 bob and 50 shillings, Kenyan shillings. Yes, guys, but I really love this eyeliner. Then next, I'm going to set using this City Color setting spray. Goes for 850 Kenya shillings. And then after that, I'm going to use this lippy. This I got it at 350 Kenya shillings only from Vitafarm Cosmetics. So I first apply the lipstick using a brush before going in with the applicator to finish up the look. And then after that, I'm going to blow off this excess from e.l.f. highlighter. And then this is how I'm going to apply this highlighter. I don't want to have any harsh lines, so I'm just going to apply it like this. Like in circular motions. I'm applying it in circular motion so that I don't end up having harsh lines, and I actually take my time with blending. And I had just popped in some lashes. I didn't have lashes before, so I just popped in some lashes. And then after that, I'm now going to highlight the tip of my nose. And then after that, just set this whole makeup. Allow it to set. And then after that, I'm going in with this powder just to apply it on my neck area and around my chest, so that I just can look uniform. Actually, the rest of the body is matching very well with the makeup. It's just looking so nice, actually. Yeah, because I'm not too light on the rest of my body parts. Like, I'm not too light. So it was just blending in very nicely. Apart from the fact that the undertone on this foundation was just not it. And this is the final look. So after some time, the makeup didn't look as ashy as it is right now, but I wish I used foundation that actually matches my undertone. But next time I will. So until next time, guys, bye bye.